1, go.
Thank you, Grandma. We love you. Thank you for the money. I love you. We miss you. Grandma, I love you. I hope you good in your class. We love you. I wish I can be there too. I love you. 생일 축하해요. 모모, 우리가 사랑할게. 모모, 우리 집에 놀러와서 같이 놀자. 사랑해.
Ouch.
Yeah, because it was.
I like how no one's getting out of the car and helping him.
He's moving. And someone needs to help or something.
And here is chocolate in there.
Good morning. It is Monday morning. We have a busy day today. Daniel, it's his first official day back at Baduk.
Yo.
Happening in the morning. We were thinking about giving Daniel a haircut, but I decided 2 months, just let it grow it out and see what happens.
How my look?
Oh, super cute. Oh yeah, that smells bad. Oh yeah, that's the exhaust. Someone's car is on. So it is Veronica's birthday tomorrow, and
I'm just sorry.
she really loves. Daniel's still on vacation. She really loves carrot cake, so every year I try to get her a carrot cake. So it's about 9:30 in the morning, and I looked for a coffee shop that sells cakes that I usually buy the carrot cake at, or even just like a slice of carrot cake. I mean, just anything like that. So trippy. Looks like it's going up.
Yeah. And it's. Mommy, come. We have a cake.
All right, TGIF, boys and girls, yeah, gangsta. It is Mommy's birthday today, January 19th. I won't say how old she is. She is forever 21.
Hey, now let me do it.
Okay.
Hello, it's my mommy's birthday. We love you, Mommy. I hope you have a good day and your jujitsu and your work. We love you. I'm done.
That was fantastic, sweetie. You want to try it, Daniel?
Hello. Bye-bye.
Just as good. So I gave her a surprise birthday cake and some presents in the morning before.
No, don't give a present.
Before we had to go to work, and now picked up the kids, going over to Halmoni's, and we're gonna have a quick birthday dinner. Not quick, birthday dinner. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Traffic, hour and a half. So a trip that would have taken 30 minutes. Ooh, that's cold. So it is, what day is it? I was about to say Soleil for some reason. What day is it, sweetie? Sunday, almost. It is Saturday afternoon. Daniel's at Almany's. He spent the night. Mommy's at the gym. And Daddy and Gabrielle are just chillaxing. We just talked for an hour and a half or almost 2 hours to our friends in Canada. And then Daddy got the great idea. Hey, let's go walk and get some ice cream.
Mommy, I hope you good and again. I love you. Daniel, Harmony. Good day and Harmony Eve. When Mommy, when Charles and Mommy come, we go play Mario Brothers.
We're outside. I'm putting on Gabrielle's gloves because it's cold. And just out of nowhere, just randomly, she says, Wingardium Leviosa, which is a Harry Potter reference from the first Harry Potter. So random. Say it again.
God, you live your thoughts.
Try again. Pull it down. Click it. Okay, I'll help you. So it is Sunday. We got family time at Costco. We got the family with Halmany and our special guest, Sain. Annyeong. Super cute. There was a lot of traffic, a lot of people at Costco as expected. What did this guy get? Oh, cool pencils and a notebook and erasers. Yeah.
And the pencil sharpener.
And a pencil sharpener, no way. It's like Buzz Lightyear, space stationary set. So coming back from Costco and Halmany's, the kids are out. Is Daniel out?
Yep.
Sain's head is on my shoulder, so I can't move up there. This Costco was super packed as expected, so you gotta prepare yourself mentally for that. I don't know what you'd call it, the customer etiquette was worse compared to the one we normally go to. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you hadn't already, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's family fun video, hit that like button. And remember everyone, you guys are doing your best.